Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sharanya and I'm currently pursuing my 7th semester in the Department Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. So today I'm presenting the project name called as a fertilizer prediction system for farmers. So the main objective of this project is to assist the farmers in mainly data-driven fertilizer decision and to optimize the crop yield and to maintain the soil health. Here the methodology I've used is firstly the dataset I've taken it from the Kaggle website, and the dataset contains soil parameters such as nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, and environmental conditions like temperature and humidity, and crop type, fertilizer name and soil type. And the model that I've used here is decision tree classifier. We can also use random forest and SVM, but mainly here I've used decision tree classifier because it is very simple and interpretable, as farmers and agricultural experts can understand why a certain fertilizer is recommended, and the decision tree handles the categorical data and numerical data. So like categorical data like soil type, crop type and fertilizer name, and numerical data like temperature, humidity and also nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. And in decision tree classifier we can fastly train the models, like work wells on small to medium data sets. And when it comes to deployment, here I've built an app.py using the Streamlight, where the users will input the soil type and crop type and what the temperature is and what the humidity is, so to get the better fertilizer recommended. Now when it comes to the code part, in this train model.py, firstly I've imported the libraries as pandas for handling the CSV data, and train test split for as the splits dataset into training and testing sets, and the decision tree classifier machine learning model I've used this. And for the encoder, it converts the categorical text into the numerical values, and pickle I've used here because it saves the train model and encodes for the future use. So nextly I've loaded the data set, that is reads the fertilizer data set from the CSV into a framework called as data. And next encode the categorical columns. Here the label encoder it converts the text categories into numbers. For example, soil type, like for soil type, if I give as sandy as 0 and clay as 1, like it converts it into the numerical, so the model can understand this very easily. And next splits the features X and target Y. Here X means that all inputs features like soil type, crop type, maybe the climate conditions, and Y is the output label. Split into training and testing is that splits data 80% training and 20% is testing. And then next is a train decision tree model. Here it creates and trains a decision tree on training the data. And for lastly it is conforming, and then final saves the model and it encodes. And when it comes to app.py, here firstly I've imported the libraries as Streamlight. The Streamlight is used for creating a simple web-based UI, and pickle loads the saved model and encoders, and pandas here for handling the tabular input data. And then nextly the load model and encoders. Here loads the trained decision tree model and the encoders you saved earlier, and this allows your app to reuse the training logic without retraining it again. And the app title here I've given it as st.title, the fertilizer recommendation system, and user inputs here it is collects the inputs from the user, that is the numeric values, the temperature, humidity, soil moisture, that is NPK is the nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Like these are the front end part where the user should give the input and it will give the predicted fertilizer. And then next is prediction button, where when the user clicks on the button, soil and crop type are converted from the text into numbers using the encoders. And finally, it makes the prediction, like it uses a decision tree model, as I already mentioned it before, to predict a fertilizer code, and then it converts it back into an actual fertilizer name using the fertilizer encoder. And finally, it shows the result. It displays the final recommended fertilizer in the user. Now I'll just run this code. I'll take the new terminal. So here is a front end part where I've done fertilizer recommendation system, and if you want to increase the temperature, you can increase here, and then the humidity, if you want to decrease it, you can decrease it, and then soil type, you have to choose any of the soil type, and also soil moisture. And here I'm giving it as soil type for black, and crop type also you can change any crop type. Like I've taken some 100 data sets, so you can change any crop type here. And then nitrogen also you can give, phosphorus and potassium. When you click on this predict fertilizer, it will predict the fertilizer as urea. For this input data set, it is predicting it as urea. So this is all the project is about. Thank you.